have with us the legendary shooter, India's only individual Olympic gold medalist, Abhinav Bindra. The focus now is on sports like never before. Am I right?
Yes, I think you're pretty accurate. I think sport is developing very well in the country, and not just, of course, the government is paying more attention to it, but just the whole energy surrounding sport, which is not just restricted to cricket, and a lot of interest in other sports as well. So very good signs, and I hope that enthusiasm continues, and we continue to persevere on our goals and make India a sporting society and instill a lot of sporting culture in the country.
You're a senior pro in shooting, Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore, Olympic medalist as well. Being the sports minister, it seems like we are in very safe hands, isn't it?
Yes, I think he's doing a fine job, and I think for an athlete to be running the show, he knows what it takes to compete at the highest level. So I'm sure he's working hard towards setting the right systems in place, which will continue to give our athletes the required support in a sustainable way.
Your inputs from government angle helping in sports are very, very valuable, and you one sportsperson who is really keen on accountability of sportspersons. So how close are we to getting the medalists in the sporting arena, with Olympics, of course, being the top of the priority, right?
I think we're doing Tokyo a year away, so let's hope for the best, and I'm sure our athletes will do well.